Hello. Good morning to
Hello,
all our
good
viewers.
morning to
I
all our
welcome you
viewers.
all to
I
the
welcome
virtual
you all for the
celebration of
virtual
Foundation
celebration
Day
of
of
Foundation
Acharya
Day
Shri
of
Vijay Vallabh
Acharya Shri
School.
Vijay Vallabh School.
I heartily
I
welcome our
heartily
chief
welcome
guest,
our chief
Shri
guest,
Dilip Bhai
Shri
Mehta
Dilip
sir.
Bhai Mehta sir.
I
I
request all
request
our
all
viewers
of
to watch
viewers
a
to
small
watch
film of
small
Indo-Brazil educational
Indo-Brazil
virtual exchange
educational
program
virtual exchange
till
program
we start with
till we
begin with
start
our
to
celebration.
begin with our celebration.
As you have got the legacy of Helena Antipov, a saint lady, how much responsibility you feel because of that on your shoulders, and how do you try to fulfill it?
Legado de Helena de Koff, a gente não carrega sozinho, a gente não consegue carregar sozinho, na realidade. O trabalho fundamental de Helena de Koff é um dos pilares do trabalho de Helena de Koff, é o trabalho em equipe, né? E esse trabalho no qual nós estamos desenvolvendo juntamente com o pessoal da Índia é uma das etapas é uma etapa que nós estamos levando à frente a questão.
Yes. So my question is, what are the improvement had taken place in the education system of Brazil?
Vandan, obrigado pela pergunta. Na realidade, a educação brasileira ela é bastante difusa, né? Nós temos instituições de ensino que são extremamente preparados, que são extremamente modernas e que têm toda uma estrutura adequada.
What is your aim or message for the youth of Brazil?
A Emily, a Mariana, né, o Gustavo e outros mais, né? A Vitória. Na realidade, o que a gente precisa é acreditar no nosso potencial, no potencial de você.
My question is, what you aspire to do for the students of Helena Antipov Foundation School?
Da Fundação Helena de Koff, a gente que é professor e a gente que dessa área educacional, nós acreditamos que a única saída para que esses meninos tenham uma vida digna, né, eles e seus familiares, é através da educação.
On behalf of Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Rajasthan Jain Prasarak Trust and on behalf of Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh School, I take this opportunity to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest today on this program of Foundation Day of our school, Shri Dilip Ji Mehta, a renowned personality from the Pune, who has got deep-rooted activities in the field of religion, in the field of social, in the field of so many of the curriculum and extracurricular activities. Dilip Ji Mehta, our principal is going to introduce her separately, but as all of you know, that he has been an inspiring spirit for a lot of activities in and around Pune since last so many of the years. Being a part and parcel of the Pune, and he is a guiding principal even for the educational activities also at various places. So we take this opportunity to welcome. As you are aware, today because of this pandemic corona, we have not been able to take the program outside in the school grounds as such. So we are hosting this program in these our meeting hall, and I'm glad that all you people who have joined this program on Facebook Live or otherwise, and I welcome all of you to see what this program and this foundation day is an memorable day for us, which is deeply embedded in our minds also. आचार्य श्री विजय वल्लभ स्कूलच्या वतीने दिलीपजी मेहता यांचं मी हार्दिक हार्दिक स्वागत करतो. आजच्या या फाउंडेशन डेच्या कार्यक्रमामध्ये त्यांचं शाळेतर्फे संस्थेतर्फे खूप खूप स्वागत. I will request our principal to introduce our guest of honor for this August morning today.
Good morning and a warm welcome to one and all. On behalf of Acharya Shri Vijayanagar School, I welcome our honorable chief guest, Dilip Mehta, President, Hindu Spiritual and Service Foundation. Our managing trustee, Shri Subhashi Oswal, our chairman, Shri Subhashi Parmar, members of the education committee, Shri Pukraji Sabi and Shri Vijayaraji Nandasi. Today we are gathered here for the Foundation Day celebration. Today we have in our midst guest Shri Dilip Mehta, President, Hindu Spiritual and Service Foundation. Sir was a source of savior since childhood and a Karyakarta of Bhagwati Kalyan Ashram, Maharashtra since 1999 and Adhyaksha from 2011 to 2019. Presently, Koshadyaksh at Vyas Foundation for Sabha Residential School, Adhyaksha, Maharashtra. Sir is the founder trustee of Apam Kalyankari Sanstha, Upadhyaksh, Bharani Pune. Sir is the founder president at Sri Nathanagar Temple, Trustee, Anandi. Sir is also a trustee at Sri Radhavadi Temple since 2013. Sir, your work is worth praising. We are indeed fortunate that you are here with us this morning for our school foundation day. I request our managing trustee and
Yeah. Yes, so right now, दिलीपभाई मेहता आमच्या कार्यक्रमाला आपले जे उपस्थित पाहुणे आहेत त्यांचा सत्कार आपण संस्थेच्या वतीने संस्थेचे आपले जे कर्ता मेले श्री सुभाषजी ओसवाल यांच्या हस्ते झाला. आता याच्यानंतर पुढच्या कार्यक्रमासाठी go ahead now. Yes, sir.
good morning to one and all. On behalf of management and staff of our Vijayanagar School, I cordially welcome our chief guest, Shri Dilip Mehta, Chairman Shri Subhashi Parmar, members of Trust Mandal, members of Education Committee, and I also welcome other invited dignitaries present for this occasion virtually for our School's Foundation Day is the day of remembrance, a day of honoring and understanding what has been achieved over the past years and look forward to what is yet to come. This is our school's first Foundation Day, which is celebrated on I'm very proud to communicate to all that though we have attacked the pandemic, which created a huge setback on our minds, we at Acharya Shri Vijayanagar School tried our level best to impact education to our school. Straight from the nursery to standard 10, our teachers conducted the online teaching since the beginning of this year. Our management guided us throughout the process. Our teachers equipped themselves with video making, usage of different digital platforms, and made the online teaching interesting and effective. The school successfully hosted one of the most prestigious competitions, that is Inter-School Complex Skill Championship, from last 8 years. Rating software things like PCS, associated this year because of pandemic, we are conducting the competition. We have received grant response not only from the schools from Pune, Lonavala, Mumbai, Gujarat, but also from USA and Brazil. I am very honored to share that our school has celebrated Brazil and India for educational as well as cultural exchange. Our projects like EPI and EQUI have proved to be the unique program which has given the opportunity for our students to excel, lead, and enhance their unique talent. The secondary school makes its marks by 100% result in the SSC exam for consecutive 16 years and maintain its tradition of outstanding result. I feel proud that a small sapling sown by our founders have now taken a shape of wonderful effective blossom tree which provides the knowledge and strives for the holistic development of the students. Our newsletter is a glimpse of the school events and achievements of our students and teachers. This newsletter is published quarterly and is a reflection of our students' impression. It is also encourages students to outshine and inspire them to excel. I wish may the glory of our school reach to its highest peak in the coming year. I request our chief guest to release the newsletter for this academic year 2020.
Okay, friends, Acharya Vijayawada School newsletter, the second newsletter of this year, 2021, has been released at the end of our two days in the also. I will congratulate all the students, all the teachers. एक रिश्ता परंतु जो पंजाब केसरी आचार्य श्री विजय श्री स्तुति महाराज के चरणों में कोटि कोटि वंदन। आचार्य श्री विजय वल्लभ विद्या प्रचार ट्रस्ट and Acharya Sri Vijay Vallabh Schools Chairman Sri Shivaji Verma, Managing Trustee Sri Shivaji Oswala, Secretary Sri Mukherjee, Principal Mariam, ladies and gentlemen, and all friends and well-wishers watching this program on Facebook Live. It's indeed a matter of great honor and pleasure for me to be present here on the foundation day of this great school, blessed by and which derives its root from the great son of the Mother India, Acharya Sri Vijay Vallabh Sri Sati Maharaj, whose statue of peace has been recently inaugurated, admired and acknowledged by our Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi, who with his visionary ideas in the field of education was instrumental in bringing sea changes. He persuaded and guided people socially from our Godward area particularly, and convinced them about the importance of education. I also take this opportunity to say a few words about HSSF, Hindu Service and Seva Foundation. हिंदू समाज द्वारा प्राणी मात्र के कल्याण के लिए किए जाने वाले सभी प्रकार के सेवा कार्यों को एक मंच पर लाना और विशेषकर नई पीढ़ी को उनसे अवगत कराना ताकि वे उनसे जुड़े। आत्मनो मोक्षार्थ जनहिताय अर्थात मानवता की सेवा में ही मोक्ष संभव है। एक one more branch of HSF is initiating from Moral and Cultural Training Foundation, INCTPF, which works on 6 themes: preserve ecology, sustain environment, preserve forest and wildlife, instill patriotism, foster women's dignity, and inculcate family and human values. INCTPF have published books on this theme, these 6 themes, which can be part of our curriculum as moral studies subjects. I would like to hand over these books to the honorary chairman to do the next talk. On this occasion, I wish the honorable chairman and his team a wonderful future and grand success in all their future endeavors and projects. I thank him from bottom of my heart to give me this opportunity by inviting me for this Foundation Day program. Thank you all. Thank you, sir. This is Foster Women's Honor. Thank you, BG, staff, everyone. Thank you. If you need some more books also, I can get. Alright, look, these are 6. Yeah, 3 by 6 books. So perhaps you can read this book. Sir, many thanks, Director Mehta, for coming for these books which he has handed over to the school. Basically, these are the books published by Hindi Spiritual and Service Organization, and these all books are on different topics. So, so this is one is on the women's honor. This is sustain environment, preserve ecology, instill patriotism, and family and human values, and the forest and protect wildlife. So these are the various books on the various topics which has been developed for the betterment of the society by this HSSF. So we are thankful to Dilip Bhai for handing over this entire to our school. We will make sure that this these goes for the getting within the teacher and the school also. I would like to mention, Chairman Sir Subhaji Parmar is well associated with this movement. So I again want to thank you for bringing this opportunity to highlight this subject. Yes, thank you, sir. Thank you.
On behalf of Acharya Shri Vijay, I take this opportunity to thank our honorable chief guest, Dilip Ji Mehta, Foundation, our managing trustee, Sri Subhashi Oswal, our chairman, Sri Subhashi Parmar, members of the education committee, my colleagues, teaching and non-teaching staff to be with us and for spending their valuable time with us and making this program. इसका लास्ट पेज निकाल खत्म जाने के बाद हो गया ना सब